Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This lecture is for BBA 8. The subject is International Business and Trade. This is our lecture number 11, which is delivered by Ms. Zahra Arif. International Technology Transfer. Introduction. New technologies from universities and research institutions to parties capable of commercialization, or in a sense of transfer of technologies across international borders, generally from developed to developing countries. Skills, knowledge, technologies, and methods of manufacturing. Reasons of technology transfer. Many reasons exist that why a company would like to transfer its technology. Number one is due to lack of manufacturing capacity. A production of similar products are producing with minimum quantity, so they need to transfer for larger manufacturing. Number two is due to lack of resources. Transfer of technology because their need of such resources which are not available to him. Third, due to lack of marketing, distribution and distribution capability. May have fully developed technology and even has approval for launching the products, but it may not have marketing and distribution channels, so must collaborate with another organization to that has capability. Number four, forming alliance with partners that leads technology to take it to the market. It forms marketing and distribution with partners and increases distribution capability. Number five is exploitation in the field of transferring technology. In the inventing organization is the government laboratory. That laboratory is forbidden in general by law or policy from competing with private sectors by selling products or processes. Therefore, the technology can only be brought to market by private firms. Licensing and franchising. Franchising is the practice of right to use a firm's successful business model and brand for a prescribed period of time. Is a huge business worldwide. However, to be in the position to franchise your business, product or services, you must be successful. What it says? To be in the position to franchise your business, product or services, you must be successful. Franchising and licensing. Types of franchising. Distribution franchise. Product distribution franchises simply sells the franchisor's product and are suppliers' daily relationship. Manufacturing franchise. A franchisor grants a manufacturer the right to produce and sell goods using its name and trademark. Service franchise. That serves customer services. It means giving the ownership of similar product for only customer satisfaction. Business format franchise. Not only use a franchisor's product, service and trademark, but also the complete method to conduct the business itself, such as marketing plan and operations manuals. Licensing. Licensing simply means give permission for a business entity. A license may be granted by a party licensor to another party licensee as an element of an agreement between those parties. A shortened definition of license is an authorization to use the licensed material. An authorization is given by the licensor and to use the licensed material is for by the licensee. Franchising and licensing. There are different steps of licensing. Number 1 is identify and define technology. Number 2 is evaluate potential. Number 3 is negotiate the agreement. Number 4 is transfer the technology. Number 5 is monitor the license. And number 6 is terminate the deal. Now, legal aspects of franchising. A franchising is a particular form of licensing agreement indicating an agreement between the franchisor and the franchisee. Franchisor provides certain legal aspects relating franchising, that is copyrights, original work of authorship fixed in any tangible expression form, patents, that is inventions, and trademark, words, names or symbols identifying goods made or sold, distinguishing them from others. Patent violations. Patent. No one allowed for violating the rights of the inventor by making same product by other company. Patent infringement may vary by the jurisdiction's court of law. Patent infringement is a very large and complicated topic. Patent infringement occurs when a party makes, uses, offers to sell, sells, or imports product covered by the patent without the patent owner's permission. For example, Apple and Taiwan-based HTC are currently engaged in ongoing battle over smartphones, with each company accusing the other of patent infringement. What will happen if someone sues me for patent infringement? A patent owner can sue you in federal court for patent infringement. If the patent owner is able to prove infringement, the court may order you to pay monetary damage and or stop infringing one or more patent claims. Protection of trademark. A trademark or trade-mark is a recognizable sign, design or expression which identifies products or services of a particular source from those of others. Also, they can assure them about the quality of the products and therefore play an important role in the marketplace. Trademarks are registered in developed countries, whereas they serve it right. Protection of well-known marks. Many countries protect unregistered well-known marks in accordance with their international obligation under the Agreement of Trade-Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights, that is TRIPS Agreement. What is Trade-Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights? How to protect trademark? You need both a good offense and a good defense. The offense starts with choosing the business name, slogan, or logo that you want to and will be able to protect. The defense comes once you have begun using your trademark and involves 3 strategies: using your mark correctly, monitoring for potential infringements, and cracking down on those who trespass on your trademark turf. International Agreement Concerning Intellectual Property, that are TRIPS. There are few agreements which are internationally performed as follows. The Agreement of Trade Related Aspects of Intellectual Property is an international agreement administered by World Trade Organization that sets down minimum standards for many forms of intellectual property regulations as applied to nationals of other WTO members. International intellectual property laws are governed by multilateral agreements. Paris Convention, Madrid Agreement concerning the international registration of trademark, Madrid Protocol, World Trade Organization Agreement trade related aspects of intellectual property, and this agreement replaced General Agreement of Tariff and Trade GATT, and the World Intellectual Property Organization resolves international intellectual property disputes. All these agreements are followed by 158 countries. These are all the names of the international agreements concerning the intellectual property. Thank you. Have a nice day.